In this video, we will be creating our first web services project. So you can launch NetBeans that we have installed. So I already have it launched. So let's go to File, New Project, and the project that we want to create is a Java web project, and select Web Application out of the options that are listed here. So let's proceed with Web Application. So here the name of application that we want to keep is, I'll call it a Calculator Web Service. So let me give it a name of Calculator, and let's proceed. Now it is giving us an option where which server do we want to deploy it and test it. So by default, since we have Glassfish installed, so that is listed here. In case you have more servers on the network or on the same machine, you can go ahead and add, and it will give you a dialog to add Amazon, Apache Tomcat or other servers. So for now we'll proceed with Glassfish, and let's say next. So here it is asking which framework do we want to use to create our web application. So for now we will not use any framework, so we'll just say finish. So it will take some time to create our new project because it is setting certain things up. It is creating some default classes for us so that we can directly focus on creating the logic for our web service. So once the project is created, the layout of your IDE will change. On the left side you can see there is a project named Calculator created here, and right side there is an HTML that has been added to this project. So this completes creation of our project. Now since we want it to be a web service project, so what we will do as a next step is to add a web service to Calculator project. So the way to add web service is, we can click project name, then we'll do a right click and say new. So in new menu we'll see certain options. So what we are going to add is, out of these options, is we are going to create a web service here. So let's click the web service. Now it is asking give web service name. So let's call it Calculator Web Service. So it asks for a package name. So generally it goes with the default best practice to give your package name is the reverse URL of your company. So here I'll give in.being0.java web services. So all web services that I'm going to create, they are going to be in this package. Okay, so another notation that packages use is all the letters that are given in package name, they should be used as small letters. So Java web service in.being0. So with that we can say finish. So we are creating a web service from scratch. So what it is going to do, it is going to add a Java file to our project which will go under the source packages. So if we open source packages, there will be the name of package that we have added, and under the package name there is a class that we have created. So Calculator Web Service is a class that we have added to this project. So next step that we are going to do is, to our web service class we are going to add the methods that we want to expose to other computers, so that these methods can be called over an internet connection and web services can be consumed.